welcome back to our channel. Just giving you a little progress report of where we're up to. We're coming along quite nicely. It's actually all just starting to click into place, but I'll take you a little talk through of this weekend we smashed through a bit of the work. So the weather hasn't been great, but yeah, so let me show you. Okay, we worked on the walls, so we've pine lined all the walls and even across the bed, and mounted a little mount for our iPad to watch a bit of Netflix in the van. So, and we got that out of Bunnings, $12, and we've yet to test it, but it looks quite sturdy and quite strong. We mounted the iPad in there, and yeah, quite impressed. And you can see the other side where we've mounted the boards as well, and the bed's in place. And mounted the diesel heater unit, control unit, ready. And we had to curve the wood round to fit the curve of the van, so quite happy with the way that turned out. And I'll talk to you about the product I thought would be really good to do the curves with, but I couldn't get it to work. I don't know, might have been conned in the Facebook. That's where I bought off Facebook, worst place to buy stuff. It looked good, but I couldn't get it to work to do the curves, so I did the good old-fashioned, got myself a piece of curved wood, an IKEA pencil, because you know we've all got one of those, and just put the pencil through and scribed up the wall to get the curve to draw on the board, and then I cut it, and you know, got near enough for me. I'm happy with it, better than a piece of plastic. But anyway, if you ever need to do curves, yep, I suggest good old-fashioned scribe. Anyway, I'll take you out the front and I'll show you the diesel heater part of it. I've mounted the pump and ran the fuel hose through into, take you around, into the engine bay. So I've got the hose and the, oh, it's right, fuel filter, fuel hose right to here, and I'm hoping to mount the fuel tank just in here like that. I'm holding it in place, but yeah, just in there, you get the idea. So yeah, so that's the only bit of the diesel heater left, apart from connecting it to the battery. So I'll take you around and I'll show you yeah, where we're at with the battery side of it. Okay, so we've mounted the Renogy 100 amp hour smart battery, so we can always add to it if we find we need more battery. Ran the heater wire around and put it into our fuse panel with a 15 amp fuse as recommended. And now anyone doesn't think the 15's the right fuse for this, just let me know in the comments, please. We've installed the Renogy MPP controller with the Bluetooth connectability, so we've got access on our phone. I've ran a socket in the cabin and run the wire straight into the fuse panel for the fridge. So for the fridge, yeah, for the fridge. So yeah, I'll show you where the wiring, I've sort of tidied the wiring up underneath as best I can. Wires just never look tidy, do they? And into the fuse panel. And we've got yet to hook the smart battery and all that through, but that's another day. And I'll show you in the fridge where we've hooked the fridge. So just next to the fridge, I've installed a car socket, and the fridge will just then pop straight into that. I decided not to hardwire it because if anything happens to the fridge, we don't have to cut and solder wires again. We'll just hook it in and hook it out. Well, I think we've got a little bit more control with that. Hopefully we might install some USB connectors there too, just to so we can charge our phones and stuff. And I'll show you in under the seat. We've ran the pipe through into the cabin. So yeah, hopefully it's all slowly coming together, but I'll give you a bit of a anyway how it's all looking from out here. Get a bit better scan. Yeah, so just a quick catch up. I didn't bother videoing too much of it because, you know, basically it's cut a piece of wood, put it together, cut it up a piece and put it together, and yeah, but yeah, she's coming along. We're still working on what we're gonna have for the ceiling, but yeah, we're quite happy the way it's turned out. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe or both, and we'll see you on the next one.